So, the hunt continues. I've got 4 hours and it's just started raining on the windscreen, and most people would run a mile, pack up the bivvies, you're going home. But not old Mad Michael. No, no, no. He runs to the storm because that is fishy weather. Now, I'm not going to say what I'm after. You know what I'm after. I know what I'm after. But I want to get back in touch with catching chub and being happy with that. Getting obsessed with these bloody barbel. I need to just go and catch what I catch and enjoy it. So I'm on my own. Filming's going to be tough. Bear with me on this one, but come along for the ride. Let's go. If you haven't, please subscribe. Help me make this my job. Thought we were on the bank, didn't you? Subscribe! So as you can see, a very dark and stormy River Avon, but the river, of course, has not risen from this rain. The ground will soak most of that up. What I'm really looking at in hope is the cover. It's still very shallow. Oh, something huge just risen over there. Absolutely colossal. That's the biggest swell I've ever seen. Wow. Well, I'm fishing down here under this tree. What on earth was that? I'll see if I can slow-mo that in the video. I think I caught some of that. Anyway, we're fishing straight bombs, no feeders. And we're introducing much less bait than I normally do. God, that's got me thinking. Must be a big pike, surely. Anyway, it's wet, it's raining. I'll get back to you if I get something. Well, I said I've got to learn to love catching all fish again. And when they're as big as this fella, it isn't hard. Look at that for a chub. Honestly, that's no more than a foot deep. Pure gravel. And that is one absolute bar of Avon magic. Steady, boys. Right, let's get him back. But we won't release it in the same swim, as he will go and flash to his mates and tell them I'm here. So we'll put him over in the slow bit just behind, but have one more fly past at that, folks. Fantastic. You come here where you can't tell your friends. Look at that. Colossal roach, isn't it? Predatory roach. Let's make sure he's up and rested. Let's hold him in the net a bit. There she goes. Still an absolute clonker of a chub. Took me all in the weeds. Got him with some nice soft grass there. Look at that fish. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. I'm absolutely shaking. It's actually happened. Let me go and get the fish. My good Lord. Oh my good Lord. Oh my God. This is absolutely... She's well rested. She's well rested. Seriously, guys, this thing is absolutely monstrous. I'm filming on my own, so I've got to weigh this. This could be my PB is bang on 13. This thing, even though in the light, I'll show you in the net. It took me round a snag. I had to let it go. I had to wait 10 minutes. Then I felt it moving again. Let me get this rested. Let me get the scales on it and we'll have a look. I've teared the scales. I don't know if you can see this. It's 14.2. Well, 14.21. I'm sorry about the footage, guys. I'm absolutely shaking. Let's have a bit better look at it. I'll get it rested. Let's have a look at the size of this. It won't even fit remotely. That's my hand. It is an absolute colossal beast. I'm having to use the car lights. So that's a new PB. This is the fish I've been after. All this thing is absolutely colossal. Oh my God, I've done it. Fantastic. I can barely fit in. Have a look at that, folks. I'm made up, absolutely made up. I waited and I waited. I've had chub after chub after chub, just hoping this would happen, and it finally did. And that's the Avon for you. Let's slip her back. Oh my God. But she's rested. Look at the size of my hand holding that. Just give a few kicks. I don't believe it. Look at the size of that fish. That is the biggest barbel I've ever seen. It's come from the River Avon. I'm gonna let her go. One more kick, there she goes. Goodbye. Well, folks, I've caught my breath. I'm having a little holiday in the beautiful south of France. No, I'm not fishing. But thank you so much for watching that. PB, 14 pounds, 2 ounce, absolutely made up. We'll be back next week with hopefully some more variety of fish, because now the barbel can rest easy for a few months. Thank you for your support. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Sorry about the weird, breathy, sexual way in which I'm speaking to that barbel. It was just one of those moments. Take care.